ang kauna-unang Pride Run ng isang grupo para sa LGBTQIA+ community. Para sa detalye, makausap po natin si Vince Manyosca, ang event manager ng Run Rio, at si Thiz, Estrada, ang chairperson po ng grupong Pantay. Magandang hapon sa inyo, Lord po, tsaka si Denise.
Magandang hapon po.
Magandang hapon din po.
Thiz po ang tawag sa akin.
Sorry.
Ano po yun?
Thiz po.
Thiz. Thank you. Denise.
All right, Vincent, Thiz, again, thank you for joining us now. And can you please tell us more about this Pride Run? We heard this is the first time that Run Rio is doing something like this. What prompted you to do this finally?
Yan po. So, yes, so this is the first actual race na Pride Run na nagawa ng Run Rio. Actually, we've done a virtual race during the peak of the pandemic in partnership with one of our clients. But this is the first na Pride Run na actual race. And actually, this is in partnership with SM Supermall. So, actually, since last year pa pinakaplanuhan namin na magkaroon ng Pride Run for this year. Pero, ayun nga, lumapit sa amin sa SM Supermalls and we're very glad na finally na-materialize na siya. And on June 22 will be our race day.
Gaano kahaba yung tatakbuhin at anong mga kategorya at ang mga premyo na rin?
So, for the categories po, we have three. We have 3K, 5K, pati 10K. So, yung starting area natin is SM by the Bay within SM MOA Complex. Tapos, yung 10K niya, yung route niya is hanggang sa may CCP area din babalik na since 10K lang ito. For the prices, ayun, so since SM Supermalls is our partner, expect prices from them as well as from our other sponsors as well.
Thiz, itong maganda rito, no? Sa invite, participants daw are encouraged to dress fancy. Okay, so itong maganda rito, napapagana ang imahinasyon na ang pagtakbo ay hindi lamang suot mo dapat yung the usual shorts at sando. Ano ba ang idea ng fancy, Thiz?
Okay, so historically kasi, Lord, nagko-costume ang maraming members ng queer community pag tumatakbo, no? It's a badge of honor. We want to express ourselves, and during many Run Rio events, nakikita natin ito, no? I personally am a runner, and I ran my first marathon, and crossing the finish line of that marathon, may hawak-hawak akong pride flag. So, itong opportunity ng Pride Run is para hindi lang na parang tig-iisa, tig-dalawa lang yung nagko-costume. Encourage ang buong mga sumasali, no? Na mag-express themselves as fabulously as they want. And then, na hindi sila mahihiya kasi hindi lang sila mag-isa o dalawa, tatlo lang, no? There will be prizes given away for the most fabulous costumes.
Aba, okay, tama yan. Okay, ano yung pinaka-bongga, Thiz, na nakita mong costume o na fancy, na sabihin natin na dinefy niya yung aerodynamic limitations ng damit?
So, merong tinatawag sa running community na si Barefoot Diva. So, she runs barefoot, but naka-costume siya ng mga fabulous na parang national costume ng mga beauty queen. So, nakikita siya sa mga maraming running events, no? Lagi siyang sumasali. Apart from, of course, hindi siya nagsasapatos, laging fabulous and proud siya. So, I think that's one of the more inspiring people that I've seen wearing costumes. Pero marami din namang iba who express themselves through their costumes pag nagra-run.
Ikaw, Thiz, this year, anong suot mo?
Was very, very memorable.
Anong suot mo this year, Thiz?
Naka-sponsor po ako ng Run Rio.
Ikaw, Vince.
But gusto ko rin suotin sana itong aking Rise with Pride shirt. So, it's emblematic, no? Lagi ang ating pride flag ng ang ating sigaw para sa pantay na karapatan ng LGBTQIA+ sa Pilipinas.
Hindi, ang gusto ko lang sabihin, no, yung mga, kasi fancy yung damit mo, dapat ba fancy rin yung takbo mo? Takbong mayaman ba ang peg dito?
Why not? It's very inclusive. So the reason why there's a 3K run is to encourage more people to
Yes.
actually run kahit hindi ganun kahaba yung ano nila. No? But I'm running 5 kilometers. I'm trying to beat my personal record of 30 minutes. So hopefully magawa ko siya this Pride Run.
Yung mga gusto naman sumali, especially mga first-timers o kaya yung mga talagang umuulit na with marathons, how can they register to be part of this?
And so actually, we have the website sa Race Roster, our Australian-based registration platform na ginagamit ng Run Rio. So, pero as much as I want to invite people to register, sold out na po kasi as of today ang Run Rio Pride Run. So we're very
Congratulations.
happy. And we're trying to work pa how we can open more slots. Possibly that will be next week. Pero as of now, sold out na tayo, and we're very happy with our sponsors and our runners na nag-register for this event. So thank you so much po.
Congratulations in advance. Oo. Okay, sa mga viewers natin, I suppose dapat warningan nyo sila kasi totoo ba, Vince and Thais, na once you run your first marathon, nakaka-addict daw at uulit ka at magiging part na siya ng lifestyle mo? Totoo ba ito?
Go guys!
Yes, I agree. Uulit at uulit. At actually, what we love being part of this as the beneficiaries of Pride Run is we understand that it's something that Run Rio wants to do again and again. So there's a commitment to do this year after year for the benefit, of course, of LGBTQIA+ organizations. And yun, no? Yung ganong klaseng suporta ang inaasahan natin. At sana suportahan na paulit-ulit ng ating sambayan na naniniwala ng pantay na karapatan para sa lahat.
Ayan. Okay, si Coach Rio. May naka-afro pa rin ba si Coach Rio, Vince? O nagpagupit na?
Yes. And then naka-afro
bumalik
pa rin
Afro
po
pa
siya. Lagi lang
din.
siya naka-pony. Pero hopefully on race day, tanggalin niya yung ponytail niya tapos naka-full afro siya on race day.
Hindi na kailangan mag-costume nun.
Yun na yung costume
Correct.
niya.
Diana Ross na agad.
Perfect.
Coach Rio.
Alright, maraming salamat sa panahon nyo. And again, congratulations for the sold-out event of Vince Manyosca and Thais Estrada for the Run Rio Pride Run happening next
Thank you.
week. Thank you.
Thank you po.